How to change country in Taobao. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So you need to start by heading over to your application Taobao. Enter your login credentials, add in your email address and the password, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tons of different menus will be available to you. You need to move into country or the region. Now you need to choose country at the very top of the screen. Tons of different countries or the region will be available to you. From here, choose a specific country that you want to set. In order for you to select, simply click on it. And then click on this icon at the bottom of the screen. You can also change the currency from here. Once done, tap on confirm. And there you go, your country or the region has been changed successfully. That's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.